Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, not my channel, our channel. So today we're going to be doing a detailed brow video, and I hope you enjoy and take something from this, and I appreciate you so much for watching. So first thing I did was press some setting powder into the brow to give me a more mattified look, otherwise the brows may look a bit shiny. So I then take a angled brush, and with some LA Girls gel liner, and I outline the top of the brow and the bottom of the brow. You want to ensure you do a smooth and straight line. You don't want it to look bumpy or anything. You get that perfect, you're good. Brows are so stressful, so just ensure that you do a smooth and straight line, and try to ensure that your bristles are aligned. Kiki Adams has a video on how she prep her brushes, so you can let me know if you want me to do a video on that, or I'll just link it in the description bar. So what I did here was just I have a cold, so I'm a bit out of breath, guys, so sorry about that. So yeah, I'm just doing some vertical strokes with the end of the brush. So this is gonna give you the most natural looking results as possible. I love this method, and I've been using it for the past year, and I'm only now perfecting it, to my liking. So towards the middle section of the brow and the end of the brow, I just did some horizontal strokes, and you just want to make sure you do light strokes, otherwise it's just going to end up looking heavy, and nobody want to look like, I don't know, look crazy, right? So yeah, always keep your spoolie in hand. Just ensure, oh my god, where is this plane going? Anyways, so just use your spoolie to blend out any harsh lines and make everything looks snatched, so on a flat concealer brush, I took some foundation. I don't use concealer under the brows, guys. I prefer this foundation, the Superstay. I took the shade Warm Bronze to conceal under the brow. So just want to make sure you take up a little product at a time. You don't want to put too much, otherwise it would start just bunching up and going into your brows, and nobody wants that, so you may have to dip once or twice to get you the most coverage under the brow, and it gives you this yummy look. It looks highlighted and your brows look really sexy, So so you just want to use a blending brush, whatever it is you're comfortable with, and press it into the brow, well, not into the brow, onto the eyelid, to give you a good canvas to start with when you're putting on your eyeshadow. Same thing here, I'm just using the same concealer brush to outline the brow. As you can see, I'm using my thumb to lift the brow, to assist me in outlining the brow, while I use my thumb to lift the skin above the brow. So yeah, so this is what I'm doing here. But yeah, I don't like concealers because for some reason they don't dry down fast enough, and I don't like to see oily eyeshadow. It just looks, it's depressing. So no, I prefer using this, and I fell in love with it, and I've been using it for maybe like 5-6 months now. So this is what I've been doing. So yeah, I went back in with the brush and just added in some hair-like strokes to the front of the brow, and you want to ensure that you blend out the edges, otherwise when you're putting on a foundation, it may not blend too well with the foundation shade, so ensure that you take the time to blend out your foundation or concealer, whatever it is you're using under the brow. So Same here, I'm just using a flat concealer brush and I'm outlining the top of the brow. I don't use concealer or lighter concealer over the top of the brow because I don't like that halo look with my brows. I just want everything to look in cohesion, otherwise it's a no for me. It just looks a mess to me. So I just going with a concealer, well, not the concealer, with the foundation shade that I'm going to be using all over the skin. So that's what I'm doing here, creating a shape and outlining the brows, and you just want to make sure that the lines are straight. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Any suggestions, I would appreciate it. Please just leave them in the comment section, so I'll take the time to read them. So same thing here, as you notice, one brow is bigger than the other, so I'm just you know, taking my brush and making them more similar to each other. You know, I don't want them too big, so just ensure that you take your blending brush or whatever it is you use to, you know, to blend out the foundation and product or whatever it is you use, and blend between the brows, and yeah, you should be good. So I hope you guys like this video. This is the finished product, and yeah, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.